As a black girl that loves to wear braids, you gotta admit that sometimes you need your braids to just be with you a little longer, even though they don't want to stay in longer with you. So in this video, I am going to be showing you how I revamp my curls. I'm not ready to take this hairstyle down, so let's see how that goes. The only thing you need is cotton. The one that I was using was a little thin, so I sort of had to make the strands a little thicker. So instead of using one, I had to combine them and use 3 instead. Now I had to part my hair, and then I'm gonna roll it around, so it's easy for my African girlies to know what I'm talking about. So this is something our parents would do to our hair to straighten it out, and now I use the method to curl the ends of my braid. So I'm gonna tie it. Then when you reach the end, not too tight though, when you reach the end, I'd like you to just pull it, and after you pull it a little, you're gonna tie a knot, which you're gonna snip off once you have already dipped them in hot water. You're going to do the same to all the other parts that you made. After you're done, you're gonna dip the ends in really hot water and let it sit. I usually let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. It's best to use really hot water, so if you're a child, please do ask for an adult to help you out, and also do not forget to have a towel. That way you're gonna protect your skin from getting burned. You're gonna do what you did on the right side on the left side. Now after you're done using your towel, try to squeeze as much water as you possibly can. And you get your scissors and then snip that little knot you made. Now after I was done, this is what the curls look like. I think the curls are a little more defined than they were before. I also think they look a little fresh compared to what they looked. If you have learned something in this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. Also, let me know if you're gonna give this a try, or if you have other methods that you use for girls that do not have any curling rods. This could be very useful. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please do comment if you'd like me to try anything else. As for me, it's goodbye. Bye.